Disclaimer on this video, it has some flashing lights whenever I hit the sewer pipe, so disclaimer, flashing lights. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is James Sean JD. That's really awkward for me to say. I feel weird now. And as you can tell by my screen, we're playing Faby Bird. I know that's not the original name, but I don't honestly know why they changed it. It's the exact same game. I'm going to try to make it to 10. And if you guys want me to make it to something higher, put it in the comments below and like the video. If we can get 5 likes, I will go to the amount you guys tell me to. Don't make it like some crazy number and up in the thousands, okay? Take me 14 days. I have a special thing upcoming soon. I just need you guys to do the normal, watch the video. I don't really care. If you guys don't, I'll be fine. It won't matter to me. And yeah, let's get into this. Oh, I guess my character just, come on, make it a 10. And once if I fail many times as I think I'm gonna be, I'm just gonna make it into a montage like that. So I'll see you when I get to 10. Oh, yeah, guys, you know that trophy thing where it doesn't show anything because I'm not good at Flappy Bird? Or Faby Bird? Sorry. Can you, like, put that down in the comments if you know? Because I have no idea what it is. That's gonna end the video there. Well, see you guys.